Alright, in this video I'm going to show you by far the easiest method to install n8n on your PC. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to download the latest version of NodeJS, or the long-term support version of NodeJS. So go to nodejs.org and download the Windows installer. Then we're going to install it. Hit next. It's a next finish thing. Alright, now open a command prompt to see if Node is correctly installed and hit Node-V, so you got the latest version or the version that you've downloaded, and hit npm-v so that you know that npm is also installed correctly. As you might know, I always make the AI directory here, so if you don't have that directory you can run the following command: make dir AI, hit enter. As you can see, I already have it. We're going to change our directory into the AI folder, and here we make our n8n folder. Alright, now we change the directory into our n8n folder, and here we are going to install with npm installer n8n. This can take a little while, so hit enter, and there you go. Alright, now we can run the following command: npx n8n. And you can control click on the URL, and as you can see, it will open the registration form. Here you can put your email, just put a name, a first name and a last name, and enter a password. Then hit next, and here you can just press get started. This one I skip, and there you go. Now you're ready to make your first automations with n8n. Now, do you want to connect LLMs, Conf UI, or any other tool? Just go to resume.ai, where I explain everything, how to connect all the dots together.